Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone running iOS 14 Plus and basic accessibility enabled. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Sound Recognition. Once you see the toggle, turn Sound Recognition on so the system can monitor audio. Next, tap Sounds to choose which events to detect. You do this now to let the OS allocate microphone access. This avoids permission prompts later. Make sure to stay on battery or connect to power if your session will be long, because initial model setup can briefly increase load. Once done choosing sound recognition, you pick detection models. Tap each label: doorbell, siren, smoke alarm, baby cry, and enable only what matters to you so false positives drop. You should also configure notifications sound recognition to control banners and sounds. Choose vibration if you need subtle alerts. If you use focus or do not disturb, make sure sound recognition is allowed to break through during critical times. This combination reduces noise while keeping essential alerts active when you want them most. You finish by testing. Trigger each enabled sound near the iPhone and watch for notifications. If an expected alert doesn't arrive, make sure microphone access and accessibility permissions are intact. Then restart the phone and test again. If problems persist, toggle sound recognition off and on, or update iOS to the latest version because model fixes land in updates. One key troubleshooting tip: background noise can mask targets. Move closer to the source or enable fewer models to improve detection reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.